1,000 people were asked their preferred method of exercise, and the results are summarized in this table, broken down by sport and by age class. You meet one of the survey respondents who likes running. What is the probability that she is between 28 and 32 years old? So this is a conditional probability. It's the probability of being in the 28 to 32 year age class, given that she prefers running. So to calculate this, we can apply the multiplication rule for probability. This is equal to the probability of being in the 28 to 32 year age class and preferring running, divided by the probability of preferring running.